This is a knife for root cutting with cholesterol, diabetes, infections, overweight and allergies. Awesome! You cannot imagine how many benefits you can achieve with the combination of certain natural ingredients. You can prevent a lot of infections, reduce cholesterol, uncover arteries, and greatly improve the immune system. Yes, all that you can achieve with a simple natural remedy. In addition, cure many other ailments. The ingredients that you should always have close to create this simple remedy are ginger, garlic and lemon. It is well known that separately, these ingredients contain great benefits to our health. Now imagine the amount of benefits you can have with the combination of the three. In addition to the benefits already mentioned, it is noteworthy that this remedy helps to eliminate bad cholesterol, prevents and helps to decongest the arteries, regulates fat levels, and improves the immune system. Now without further ado, we want you to know how to make this remedy with these wonderful ingredients, so you can enjoy all its benefits. Ingredients: 1. 4 organic lemons with the peel. 2. 1 ginger root of 3 or 4 centimeters or 2 tablespoons grated ginger. 3. 4 heads of garlic. 4. 2 liters of water. Preparation: 1. First, you should wash the lemons very well and cut it into small pieces. 2. Peel all cloves of garlic. 3. Place the lemon, ginger and garlic in a blender, stir until smooth. 4. Place the mixture in a pot. 5. Add water and stir until boiling. 6. Then move away from the fire and wait for it to cool. 7. Strain the mixture and place it in a glass bottle. 8. You should drink a glass of this mixture on an empty stomach 2 hours before the meal. You must do it for 3 uninterrupted weeks. Then you must rest for a week to start again with the consumption of the remedy. As a recommendation, you can add a little honey to improve the flavor. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.